Hey, if you're watching this video, it's because you did the elephant packet yesterday. Just want to give some feedback on what's happening. You have the packet in front of you with my responses, but I kind of want to walk through what my comments mean. So a lot of people got the first two right. The information that we're given is, and I'm just going to write it on the board back here for my own use as well. Samantha's making banana bread for a local fundraiser, and in 1 2/3 hours, she can produce 3/4 of a loaf of bread. Part A and B, a ton of us got. We recognize it's asking how many loaves can she make per hour. So we're flipping the one we're trying to find per or one of. So a lot of us moved this into an improper fraction and then flipped it because we're trying to find per 1 hour. In the second one, you get, for your answer for number one, you get 9/20. When you make this an improper fraction, it becomes 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5/3. So what you do is take 3/4 and multiply it by 3/5. For the second one, it's how much can she make in 4 hours? A lot of people got this. You simply take this that is for 1 hour and you multiply it and see how much can be done in 4 hours. This will get you 36/20, which can be simplified by doing top in, bottom out. And you should get 1 4/5 or 1 8/10. For the third one is where the most mistakes were made. So that's why I want to talk about this one. If you read it, it's asking, how long will it take Samantha to bake 1 loaf of bread? Explain how you found your answer. This time it's asking for us for 1 loaf. What we're trying to find one of is the bread. So we're going to still use these two fractions, but the one we're going to flip is the one we're trying to find one of. So we would flip 3/4. So again, we know that this as an improper fraction is 5/3. That's the number of hours it takes, but I want to know per loaf. How long does it take to make 1 loaf? What you do is you flip the 4/3. You then get 5 times 4, which is 20. 3 times 3 is 9. I can do top in, bottom out for this. 9 goes into 22 times. I get 2 left over. It takes her 2 2/9 hours to make 1 loaf of bread. And this makes sense. She can only make 3/4 of a loaf of bread in just under 2 hours. So it's going to take more time for her to make exactly 1 loaf. Some people put like 2 hours, which is a good guess, but the precise answer is 2 2/9 hours. Same thing's happening in part D. Samantha's running out of time and it's asking her how long it will take her to make 1 loaf. So what you're flipping is the fraction that's associated with loaves. So it's the 3/4 that would be flipped and 2/3 would stay the same. If you have any questions, just raise your hand and I can help explain it further.